anaza obeto use mattress trebia ebe mo asusu dai bone anajo sori na keke tisa wo krama risky tie eye ash foam mattress ne nimpa so no mape ne ma hunam dua no hojojo no etene wapom ne ma oda na ho na ba nipadua na sisi ne ho so
afena meni ewie
begiem papa hudo bebre mattresses, pillows, bed linens, duvets and in your mouth 5 this is dem ewa ash foam
Freyan was 055-299-7330 and now 0245-011-255. Sheshe Ashfom Depot ewo oda kede stredro akroso ana achiasi na beto Ashfom product ko siesie wu dem wasaso ana wedwa yebia ebiom su carpenter phone upholsters mu betumi enya carpentry products na ewo ye shops wo behu Ashfom oda showroom ewo Ntiamwa Junction.
Ashfom, feel it, know it.
Okay, so still live on Ahinkana 3.3 FM, 45 minutes down 8. Yebekwa homane so na yene Nana Yaw Akwada. Akwa twetwe nkomo Nana Yaw Akwada executive secretary and as a director Edima Bureau of Public Safety. Nana otemenka anope mamu achia ba Ahinkana FM so.
Amechimeje no so mechia with you for.
Apumbo kode yeah, the radiasi, Yansu Yansa Camo report to be a much say. Ma conducted a survey na 56% of Ghana for any GDA or Ghana Police Service. Mo survey no na mo sample size saying na niema bang and a mubisa huasem.
We a simple survey, so you will not ideally wouldn't have things like sample size, margin of error, count. And if you indicated in the press saying it was a simple survey, online survey, you distributed questionnaire on social media handles, our website, in your account. And that should take care of the first part of your question. And then besides in swabbing, and I say, what was the objective? Is that right?
Yes.
Asking the objective. So basically, the objective here, considering the huge applause at Equity IGP appointment, any senior amount for budgeting, swimming at the town, they decided say, you better say, and you say, send a near corner amount for. I dream that man for team ever police juma on it's a child kakra bebe mo ana let us mean near say issue opportunity so near the gauge the level of confidence amount for a war police service now for share what amount for experience our woman police for in the last 90 days are Dr. Dampare or IGP. So basically, if you look at the survey summary highlights in the Ghana, we were touching on the experiences of people's opinions, and then what they expect from the police administration.
I see. Inti we don't know solely on social media. Send ya udi kan know.
Absolutely, not social media. Media is an online survey. Some of them responded to it not on social media. They actually went to our website to do that. Because it's solely social, it gives a certain impression. So we did here now or not affiliate personnel on the website.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Inti now, what are some of the reasons Emma a binumo optive for say, oh yes, administration now basically the confidence be wo.
Well, I indicated to you there was a simple survey. We did most of it were quantitative. Now the question I'll be standing borders on the qualitative, as in they say I didn't bring the war 56% in the Omoka say your confidence war police kunum and Adampare. I'm unable to share that with you. In fact, having been someone may apply in the field of safety and security, I'm able to, make an intelligent guess as to what will probably inform 56% of 583 persons are poorly to say more confidence in the police under Dampare. One, let me say, in the last since Dampare assuming the seat of the IGP, we will say the police institution has been very, very responsive. On social media, the main media, and the likes, to clarify things to the public. So high-profile arrest, I'm international pain and media and bash that's my obi sombra media. They say I didn't see a normal day facts, send yet attitude. That engagement alone is significant. Religious bodies, we share handful, we share actors and artists, and he's not limiting himself only to Accra. And say, was acting in other regions, identifiable bodies, any more edin is our sworn, Sanyama has the potential to let anybody hearing or seeing this to begin to see, say, we have an IGP. He's ready to work. He's ready to engage. Because police is human and one engagement. The whole world over, police is human, and that's all Mambia, police is human, the police engages. And she said, and no, I can't be. I'm say a month for any against Sakaka, and so many I resume police human.
I see. All right, Inti, since I hear Bonabaso, Ghana for pay more reports, I'm buy no cry, say Ghana for you, Bonabaso, no. Not just say, near all your need home. Suggestions, Ben, I'll be Mickey, the Amma Womo. So I'm in this case, and I'm talking about the police service, Send ye beya Ghana for ye bo mabaso Ghana for the Takasi Ghana the enemy. Ye bo abaso ye best crucify along the way. Suggestions Ben I'll be Mickey Diama IGP on any dom.
What's my chat from Mr. Ghana for your boy about
Za.
Your boy about now many I was saying, I was saying, and Bureau of Public Safety, and maybe a criminal. Like a police from me, and said, no, I'm going to find uncle. And we started from somewhere. And the human one in the year, inside, Ghana for Sunday here. You who besides say, then yes, police for no mobile, not near my your questions are decided. You start one of it. I want to walk you through. Okay. The desire say, how safe do you consider yourself in Ghana in the past 90 days? Say, Bayer was in the say to me, Obambo no win the same. 19% can say, say Obambo is 25% can say that indeed say Bambo is and at 46%. And so I can say, confirm it to have a reaction, and also we reaction for visa bet you to be chair. And to them, here, may Bambo win some day, she radensa 46%. But all your mark, the mamma, and said, Kako bear 70.
Yes.
And 25% who don't feel safe. And 46% who were unsure about their safety. That comes up to 71%.
Yes.
Say, who are Memuna police, it will go amount for 56% confidence in them. That's a 71% of the population say that they don't feel safer. It is time to work. It is time to roll up your sleeves and work hard. And make sure, say, 71% of the population, I'm not sure about their safety or they don't feel safe. You work hard to get them on your side. Therefore, they are not on your side. They may not engage when they have to. Because service now, to what extent the officers in the police service show concern for citizens? 57% I say police officers do not show concern for citizens. And the many police for I'm being who bonnie say of course one may can on make it minimum in the main court. That 57% is what Dr. Dampare and his people should be working at changing the statistics. But I say more than 70% of the respondents said they did not feel safe. Another 57% said you are not working in their interest, are not showing concern for them. And no, and as I say, no, they are Obi bedroom in your mind, mostly 57% of the 57% of the police they don't show concern for you. Concern was there anything. You who say, come in their emergencies, no, the police respond too slowly, no. Say be I me Daniel Honong Kwampua. Among for Becca say, now we are showing concern. Say among for Kwan the him. Now 53% say, I dare you walk on him. Who the police for almost Cheba. And to say the uncle Daniel Honong Kwan got 57% concern. You know, tonight who will be. And now say, Africa, ACC, Basa, one Potema, you say higher traffic point areas. Yet means the study police in Kohona, Abribia, or citizens, Echo Bodomkin. Now, Ubiadi, Takashimia, Yishia, a faster traffic man, so I could do one breast tram. Meanwhile, he just made a 20-minute commute now. It is him, police focus, Samiano, a directed traffic money flows smoothly. And among for like I say, the police are showing concern now. So these and other areas, say police for no. Omudi survey ya Monsaka report ya say enchanta by Fiada the no Monsaka copy. Omusabetin, Omubiti edit to an amount. And moving forward, those are some of the things I say. Police for they apply themselves onto the outlook of the results, survey results now. They can use to improve on their services to the people.
Okay.
Because the bottom line, police service is a service organization. You must render service to the people. And if you are not rendering service, you are not delivering service to the people, they will never say you are showing concern. It's a bottom line.
Okay. All right. And maybe this final question. Looking at how I are most at times, you single out IGP nkwa na all these success are all my chalk, link or no, Eddie Amano. Only need say a beco finds so bonny the aba or no one can crofo no more jumani bikra or time beba ama cases, I feel crown and robbery cases in serious issues here, baby, just to tarnish Nidin because a bit of say on Kwana credit in ye demand security wise, saying it here.
But let me say, most owners of the radio station. And so I don't know whether there comes a time, but as I didn't media Jumana, as I part of the best I can find a bonnie. And I mean, Jumana, Cosicum, Quani, a bonnie, and now about for bonnie.
And now we dear him kind.
I know, dear him kind, because there is what we call leadership. Say, again, year, what do you say? The praise goes to the leader. It is up to you, the leader, to begin to recognize the people that make the world go round. Until you are in kind, ever on the or year awards night. Now, Barrow Water, I see with Germany because almost bomb Germany, and Miss Medina, then quickly. I don't think, say, Dampare, doctor, a Jumano. 190 if you my baby Bruno. Maybe say Obetina baby Nwaji praise me man. I hope say there will come a time when they will begin to acknowledge the men and officers that are making the police service what it is. Yan di kan abra ya appointing a man for budget distribution. Ya kan say ejuma no ye obako for ejuma. Nti yen susu nka na mumu no ye measure yen expectations nso. Na say ebekoye ama urada mpare a na nam supporter o man market you edibema no. Enam freedom political authority edibema no. Na enam the way the police institutions and so ever support him. And you know, I mean, he say at any point in time, no, right, I'm parry, ever class no I been say or a magician or no buying a Yemen assassin. He will acknowledge and recognize the people who make his work become recognizable.
Okay. Yera anopai ma yenasim fa unsi ha bibie ni ebesa babiem. All right, inti yene executive director Edema Bureau of Public Safety Nana Yao Akwada ena etwetwe enkomono bringing the time check to exactly 9 a.m. Ewufie ha enomo and send me di kan ka kire mo ne ye wo one-on-one interview bi wa ha no mo a yene the napco ni nadmo yi azemo yeah, the NAPCO coordinator at the Brim Central Municipal Assembly, Honorable Dennis Obiaji, even my friend Densa, Open Honorable guy pa Okahubi, Honorable Forum guy no Okahubi, Honorable Fans, Adushu boy Ketwa. Also, Assembly member, the more man for a word, Dan Quantan, Tinano pay or Dan Quanta for Mamunina, a very good morning. Mijidi Samo Hoye, Muntie more Assembly member. And some more edimamo and afi wa we are potential NAPCO beneficiary. Make a potential because omelette no modi abano gave an assurance saying yankopon yadoma next year obobe sign a new recruit. And into pacho ye ni kan fa wonfa omo report no modi abano. Me chere press release no. Ye ni kan fa wonfam na afi wi a ye ni honorable nshen komotwetwe na say ewo efie ha eno mo mama ni kan e ma na kwa ba na wuhunu sampa wa ha honorable apomako de
ye medaroma me ho ye pa
on potem ho nso e kama won
bifi ho
ba bia wo free babia
bifi ho ba die na boni bi ansi ho
ye the radio say
o ye boko
ye the radio say all right inti na che honorable Dennis Obieji e na wote ne nkan no densa afi yanko napco omo so lete no omo de ba endra enwumre no so and it's dated 15th November 2021. Notice to all NAPCO trainees. The letter. Following a high-level stakeholder meeting with the lead NAPCO module implementation partners, MIPs, led by His Excellency the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana and the Honorable Chief of Staff, all NAPCO trainees are required to remain at post. In line with the exit preparation after year 3 years on the scheme, all NAPCO trainees will remain at post pending permanent arrangements. The NAPCO Secretariat expects trainees to continue to discharge their duties diligently and professionally at their various workplaces, whilst the scheme and the MIPs work towards a smooth final transition. A new cohort of NAPCO trainees will be recruited next year. Issued by NAPCO headquarters to the module implementation partners, MIPs, or CPTP trainees, or MDAs and MMDAs, NAPCO staff, media houses. Into a memo from a yet NAPCO paying for her and Omodiaba. Ye bonnet tofa almost say in ceremony the enka 3 years and aquaria yet. Nanso so omone implement module implementation partners be atwetwen komo amomo ayene say Vice President Kahubi, Chief of Staff Kahubi Fremont Pare in this case e Kahubi and omo no nyina atwetwen komo no omo nyina adwen akọ bankro mu say woyɛ NAPCO beneficiary and a trainee enka originally no mo contract ne de enka si but yɛse mo nsa nkɔ adwuma mo nkɔto am adwuma so na mo mo adwuma na tɛ sɛ yɛbɛtua mo ka no ɛyɛ good news ana me boa ebi mo so maza ɛyɛ adanko dada do ɔme san kɔ no abo hɔ no mo edi let away eba bonten everything
ohwɛ date na ba enra yeah na the kind of I'm very sad today as a young politician ohwɛ yancha sempa political space no honorable defativo and DC be a Guan district.
Okay.
And also just 11 days in office as an assembly member there. And also a very very sad news. The political space and even MPP and as an assembly member. Na you could waste time. Yeah.
Now 11 days.
11 days. Na DC the Yankobon fa omukra and see ye. The kind of within check a sebema a year MPP penny for a woman temha Chiani become a member of parliament. Bisukoma honorable MC NAPCO trainees. Bisukoma model implementation partners, a year head of agencies a work room hangina.
Okay.
And it baby a uti and as a man for umutina. Chiani Bisukoma.
Okay.
Yes, send our kind a secular and I say memo no. Me say last week and I interview me with video so.
Sure.
Na open coming back, but menya and because of my timing in tea. Na NAPCO nankasa was budgeted for. You budgeted for NAPCO no. Na budget di muno we say a baby 31st October. Anunti say obian fa say a fum no moka obian fa na so yen dey engu form na ombeti yanka ti sana ya communicate to trainees no through a message nti me as a NAPCO coordinator no so I had to formally no me inform me omom no me adwuma no me fa word of mouth administration sa
sure
ti me frɛ NAPCO trainees ni nyina ana mom letters some fa koma ompani for say na adwuma na akoye na aban a ode bayi oye very sensitive no odwen omanfo ho nti osa ekotena ase adwen ho say na sisi yi ewu mu say migusu amepe adwuma nkofo yi ana say trainees yi na almost akotire fi ye omodan already no so mo fill vacancies ewo baby a omo no nti nanka oma pani na senka oye lead this anime but what to kwan oko leave na vice president ono na NAPCO danka sa hye na se to free chief of staff na penny for a model implementation partners no anyom kwatena ase omo brainstorm ye mo hwe pragmatic measures be am between the day aba in the interim no omo between aboa ama NAPCO trainees no so ehwo atom anunti omo bobo ho a no me ba say eno omo sanko adwuma nkosi December na
abotre
omo fanshim but
yes it's a once I will ka ho ne de eden a obehu omo kwa adwuma no de akosi December
infankosi bosu na wie
se na be ya eden a ye be ka so ye no mo awie afe no
there be you see ideally na senka negotiations no you starting earlier but na time a year trainees no efele omo form so ni bi so mo pe entrepreneurship ebi so mo pe government jobs ebi so mo pe private jobs nti omu nyina no bringing all these people together no ayana a challenge kakra nti obekọ meetings upon meetings enu nti egusu a year negotiations no say by December no anase afibekọ na wie no na ye wie negotiations na fe following next year no okay so in interview no obusa me ana me ka say yenhwe budget ayede eba no
ayo ochina de no
yes
and say enye no ho na mate na just to calm nerves down for echina
o there be say budget no would entail say sikana omni 12 for napco yebitua napco trainees no ebi no good it is hard 3 months here yebitua ana 2 months yebitua me your first car what I say into I think say can for rata I share some allocation be okay baby between yes ka bia den and untina all these negotiations here den eba mu no antina at some there wo homa napco trainees no na menua the framers of the policy no omo ya de papa me ne me penifo di komo bi na me bom pa say nka ometie me asopam ni nyina ne say yefa GRE for instance GRE fa nipa obitua mo 4,000 but sanapco edi obi ko ha yitua no 700 Ghana cedis enti me ne me CEO ni penifo bi di nkomo say penifo say kamen kwa madwen anka say yefa napco ni ekwohye ho ni ama na 1,000 Ghana cedis na say obeye adwuma na Jerry ni ne ko to be burn 4,000 almost be the same job there sika odo mani pa ba kono etumi tua nipa 4 ka e won napco na say you reasoning from 700 to 1,000 enunti if we use this calculation and I say this method you need to have for 200,000 for 5 years okay means anche chimu biem ayi local government efanipa otua be 2,000 thereabout okay napco su tua 700 Ghana cedis ejuma say local government fa ejuma nipa ne be no the same job na napco ni so be ye
obey
ana Jerry ayi
local government
ni no obetua senate obetua baye napco intua senate ma because the stipends na ye de ma omo ti say nipa ne be the same job there ene ofa napco ni a said utua 2,000 to a staff ofa napco ni obetua fa napco for mienu until you save money and then equally increase
production
exactly and anko for na be form no so o djuma no dey and now betua fa compatibility betumi reduce unemployment totally do ti me suggest actually in penny for a bon pie say omne be adrena yehu how
na eno no say minim say onipa no ye hyeda fa no adwuma mu a obeje 4,000 now so okay me situation mama ye vulnerable and two person oboa me enti from 4,000 no and now from 700 initial 700 no more than 300 to so yen konko ye minimum wage no etali
good enti unse we a training napco ni form say trainees ye fa say permanent job
enti no nia wo or suggest no they will be there for how long?
For 5 years to be
into 1,000 no for 5 years.
By then no the gaining the requisite experience
by the time I will back at when you bet na asaba 3 years you almost shall see you can say mother but any
good but nipa nke 5 years and you find nipa 200,000 and come sure say unemployment in cat is what I mean look I say still do ya yibi but still nko for how mpe napco ni bia den aye if you do a start here now nko for kan ho nsem na bi kwa necessary no
say ya hu bi da ya hu bi wo Ghana da ntia
no but you just don't dare
about sometimes you have to dare
no.
Ebi anye dares bibre ba ye na ma mo you were able to prove people wrong some nyamo kan no say ni enso so ye no
good inti nese kom kan ho asem nese kom no mum hyem wie no mo hwɛ sɛ ebe dwuma na sɛ enya dwuma but necessary for na omo botia dwuma no ni nyama you see krom ha no bibie ni na makwa ni political irrespective of nipa or deba no saden be boa emmoa no ma ni political eno no yemfa yenkyere omansa as a developing country
ye den a bibia be politics
the be
ni nyina no ye the political will you as a political party no the political will backing that policy a wode ba we ye den ye ntumi nka say ye mfa asori democrat politics wo ho
me pacho napco ubisa trainees na omobae na obi eni ho a yebusa na political party o
and I make say ye den a ye nya kan napco a there will be a link of NPP
good say
the political will backing the policy is what is of important
no but what is politics is say obe formulate policies na odiabwa omanfo. That is politics. But you come hand there. Person the politics and ye be say you di good obi hu fi. Then that is not it. You mbu o man sa.
Until young politicians are mobile until you can change the face.
Yes, o share MPP. That is what we are driving at. What I say, policies in kwa deba between mama for one and your track record of which ye media or central media nim nyina say BT say health insurance ne school fee de ne tan money
over health insurance asema ba.
Oh yes,
I don't
me ba na me tisa bu kan but at least it has solved a problem. What I said, say problem into some say you developed countries scramble are still developing. Inti your crew 100 there and I said Ghana hano maybe biano and kakankra. I think say we will get there. Inti irrespective of whether failure and I say in CP, you know, still at least a solve it problem be of which are in the interim nka eniwa nka bibi between then I see.
And coming back to memo na wa bontin sisi ya no. They say obi e NAPCO trainee na oti en ya. Omo ma ba mu bu ya omo yes o me kra me ko. Mo so mo nsan ko back. Bosome no eso mo beti omo ka. Sa na mo pese mo kire.
Yes, me limit o discussion into yeah or down.
Yes,
even though say me ko for be 18. Me trainees na say me colleagues no. Me no mu share no. Asema makacha omo ne say ma omo njai adwuma no. They should volunteer. I think so.
Now, idea we name the fate of it. The way then
exactly. Why you 3 years? An institution. Ejuma na why no. You say Kofi na ko join me while I work on permanency. That was the communication they call. Say you work on your permanency into omo ko join home. Because of budget na ya budget na sika edi ho into omo ko. Ana me tell me chika cho mo say minyanom. Me suggest kire mo say obeko tena fia onya hwede. Ko bobodi ana den etwa ade na oye ne so umpenifo no mo no definitely omnim say wabo omo
but be an almost services any needed DM.
No, very needed. Demand revenue NAPCO no every day be a request every day be apart from train in conform person mo join no your institutions and so omo pay nkonfo yeah anti enye easy as you think and enye se na hu no say etie no abeboa pa NAPCO trainees no yebe momo omo pay no se na memo no ayene actually no but the bia ye limit NAPCO na ye can to only trainees ye nka omo a benefit omo no even private firms and even government agencies. Okay, recently obi say or a startup company or buy or try to NAPCO say if US about will be big company but only for and also ni scar be to ya ne manfo and I say for or before adwuma into apply to you no pay yen hye no oba first year you tua NAPCO tua e kan nyina e ma say e ma nipa 100 cry be tua ni kan nyina e amount second year no obetua half na yesu tua half third year no obefa ni nyina na what's have francophone permanent
a company no
yes company no okay. Anti we mu nyina some of the success stories are den e wo ho yeah anti NAPCO no nye for only trainees no so many experience name no also to beef up and then help startup companies and I say private companies anti na sana NAPCO no so
anti say obi ka say looking at the way Niema toss go up and down no it shows clearly said the government is stuck in the midst of NAPCO ikraminya den okay also omo nsan and reported back to omo post for the year to end and by December no omo awie what is next
unia okase government is stuck that means yes didn't you because I say
because the same government also okay contract na minimum sign na wie enti mon kotena fiansa as a confusion crat yes mu on shede nim ni oye tio kotena fiansa o contract na awu afi o kotena fie no a masan fro se wo de bra bewie bosome no aka wa afi ni mu no wa bra megusu a me dwen ho se me ma o permanent job a say emu ye na kakra
wanka se o dwen ho so permanent job ena se na medi kan no ade bi tell me say o wa hai se o kosi dan na o sika sisi a pesa o disi dan a you have a plan Okay. Into a plan apart from plan no. Who could test car or best out the year a dino. Into say plan no a 5,000. So we see then 5,000. Now who could have 2,000. What do you do? Who did 2,000 and 2,000 in the sun? Who by pause it? A could see time between your scaff for a bit day at was all. The son and up couldn't say a day. It's here 3 years now. You see, they didn't even complain about any stipends. At least, the stipends need delay. Not a be a switch and no more problems. Because next can be at the account every time you're there, you release it. It is a time not so necessary. Can say, your man for to say, no credit, more contract and I'm paper. Almost sign paper. Paper no more sign no. Every year, the same moment I say paper no more sign every year. I feel you know, na say be more. Sign trauma, we will communicate back to you. Until while you so monkono, while we negotiate, your name or man for number form of Jumano, dream home, and make sure say be permanent job no sana president a promise here in your first anniversary no. Sana napkuno etie.
I see. And the question I be say what is next after another 2 months no? Was it yen train? Osha say also yen train budget ye ba nyankopon ya adom ochena enti ye train budget no
ye budget allocation but you see you know my atia say you be funny pano be from next year
mo be san fa another people
unemployment esunka even in developed countries US kwati am kase kra me no kase you onko for unemployed or US
but at least they are doing well.
Yes, but they still have unemployment rate say 1% poor. But
what to be formed the method to hear
no, but I'm battery. Say at least you won't say unemployment any day and cut here and send up to us all. Near go so a funk of war near you prepare for the job market. Yes, I come into it now.
And yes, I come high into mint na ha honorable Dennis or BG a assemblyman, a more man for award than Quanta or sign a NAPCO coordinator, Brim Central Municipal Assembly, and Komui and who be here. Because of memoir about bontia omo echrese we NAPCO trainee a kosoa eye adwuma and enkomoyi mu ena wa ma ya we se omo ye adwuma no for the year to end omo wia aban na san adwene ho biom na wo som pafenam wo se mikuhuri atreja omo kyerese omo besan krompa ya another recruit ene je sa aban we di onhwere ne wo abodi ka fam kra twetwe wo ahunu ni onye ho seven granny and it's young come twetwe no ye nya nwie ye kra eduru ba bia e be ma wo awutie no so kwan na wo so waba mu bi ye be san so ahwe obi a nyankopon ya adom a next recruitment no person we de ne ho gimu no what are the processes and obefam ansa na wetumi aba eno so ye be hwe ne adimu enkomo na hwan kra no qualify eno so obeka kire yen and ye we will sway the attention a bit from a NAPCO issue no near din komo kakra about say yene ni din komo yi we raise the point to say you will graduate be bro you will graduate be bro but your uncle be bring so on mo nya graduate omo ni adwuma ye eno so aban yi a ono no ka ho BMPP aban no omo nhye ye de masafo no sen na ete because your boys and girls ni bibiri wo no mo a hairdressing ni of friend is saying at the pam ni niam ahoro keka ho nsa no adwuma obi kura de onya akonya kra nkoye nsa no adwuma ni bi ono tertiary wantimi ankobi ono so aban na factor no anaso one factor no 23 minutes after 9 still live on Ahinka 93.3 FM wadwen chiru betimi dia ba 0594841044 wo de ba e bekin kan kama edi amount in the meantime no for important enterprise say men kan kyerɛw say eye obapa mackerel anase mackerel bia wati din ena wo pebia for ani kyerem e wo Frimpong Enterprise Frimpong Enterprise medical catch say enye supermarket said the nkrofo kan eye more ankasa Frimpong Enterprise because woko ho a nya wo pebia wo mo mu e wo nkran kumase takrade obenya bi e wo eye Frimpong Enterprise hono mo na chikwan ye yira kwan kra over the ground floor Madarina Hotel ewo achim odan hono na obehunu Frimpong Enterprise nti say book and I say detergents ahodo na all so clean mada omo semina geisha mad just ni nyina obenya bi exercise books nso obenya ni nyina bi ewo Frimpong Enterprise frame was 0244 897525 0206 4739 0253 0242 111236. Frimpon Enterprise no majo so say adwuma wura. Omo bo adwuma papa. K Asenso Limited, your conversation egusu ekoswe. Omo no mama ya konwa ye team swinging wheel office chairs, quality wooden chairs, authentic bookshelves and so. Ni nyina ye K Asenso Limited. Omo ka say whether uso ubenya 03 office chairs and bookshelves. As foam say open mattress papa da so a ebeso da ye papa. O sorry abonten am hyehyehye bobia uhunu ni tin hunu ne nan a me kan fo ash foam e di amount ash foam obema on mattress papa wo kedi so adru across so achiase obenya bi wo ho omo wo dan so monko intia mo hotel junction na ash foam e ma mo mattresses papa enam Christmas ni nti ye de bu nazes no bi bre no a e di aba frame 0552 997330 0552 997330 and 0245 011255 0245 011255. Ash foam or say feel it, know it. Companies I can see Omada Roma and Yegusua Yedi Jumedi at the air bremo. I've seen a year. Questions were all right. Into questions neighbor, it drew on more. Your baby son and now answer the amamo. We the onu near brepa. Yanka kwa for one sem, but what the message about see yanka kwa for one sem man. See we decide no. I buy name share na otititi near maso. Enfama or man for kuya no akwa yen kwakra ne mrewa na eye. Na so chemicals ye boa o madwuma ne ye mre no. Eno so na ne boy den a moment mean to be. Senior Wilson, Eddie Free Achim man so. Ena edi ebaye. Thanks for coming through with this one. Unsu bit me do dia but ya kan ye question e brand so a ye bibisa ira no ama wo yeda so e ofie ha no ye ne honorable Dennis Obin AJ assemblyman ema manfo wo dan kwanta Brim Central Municipal Assembly no wo mo NAPCO coordinator aniti honorable yen santo aso ne yemisa se se de ye hu se for the rest 2 months na aka wa afini mu no NAPCO omo ayedi kan form no ewie ne kra omu wia whether omo permanent job no ho komo no ebebam se mmemu no yentwen budget ochena na afi wia yemra medi no so ho komo obi tie yen ana wo bibi kan wo no ho ansa na mabisa another question
abinia a lot of institutions no enyomo clearance o
okay
to hwe ya GRE e ka so fa na kufo na mo mu nyina no standard authority so e ka so mo from me no ka say kra no enra GS and so I instructed and as I directed a man for nationwide. So Omunji Nakufo
so extra no.
Yes, Omunjo Bia the special the class or any specialization. Omunjo Nyane Emma.
Okay.
Yes. Until we're in line with government's agenda to help people, to create jobs and also, train the youth for the job market. Until sanity. My main concern be answer say enye obia ne befa na djuma one ye ne ye suban a ye daddy no eno so e account for ye djuma hwehwe se menuma ma me djuma wa henkan FM na sabio minim se because of ebia minim ebia NAPCO coordinator no ana se minim MC minim party chairman minim MP minim wenti and na edwuma no mekwa ochena menko ebia na coordinator don't you aka what I say but once I can say ye fa obia nti ebe wa bien say ye be fa waka ho you need a recommendation from your immediate line manager nipa na sign or time sheet in ma and say ye hwe so atu aka no yes
I'll see bisa no
yes bisa no nti enye se e wholesale say ye fa obia nti ye be fa obia afin so NAPCO na ma for permanent jobs nko entrepreneurs so ye say build bio because kono e be year mo hwe developed countries are do na private sector and they drive it the economy
sure
UK says I think say 78%, US and so the same anti enye ni nyina na say private and I say permanent jobs we see a build it the youth and also for the the next generation you see young entrepreneurs and which we are building company at least nipa ako and I say nipa krom ha say NAPCO training say wa ha for some for enterprise Ghana in nipa 10 no be say obi adwuma kaka obi so be poultry obi so be rice obi so be piggery obi so we no be afa nkofo bako mienu miensa ebete unemployment.
Sure.
So I say
sure.
I think so enye obi a na betia ye educated enye ni na skilled job ebu a skilled labor no so wo ha se bi nyina kase yakọ school yakọ ye yi a hwan ba ko ego je obi wo emu amufuom ana se obakupia ko hwe ni mpreku ayi ama no anu nti we want to build entrepreneurs as well. Government no funding bi ono to dey call NEIP no kase obatampa so sika eba I'm thinking say budget no tran okan a ye bitwa abobo ho ana se obehu bampatampa sika ode aba ono so de beboa ye mebunu no more na motunya adwuma and so much to create our own jobs until no sanity.
I see, but ebinim say government feel pressured by a year enkrofo a yeka say ene wa fa enkrofo adwuma mu owunim say won fa omo permanently a ade na wo fa omo sorosoro omo enu nti na say mudi mirika mo de memo yi krampo di aba abonten
bi entisa enkrofo na omo kasa no omo nte the concept of NAPCO nankasa say
ene mu nkyere yen
ye chebu several obu ho so deliberately o sheda deliberately onimpan so sheda ade ne bai ne say about temporary employment for the job market 3 years sa se me chichi mu bibiri
onyi ni se eye mo ankasa nso mo nkasa ye bia while sa na program no was in section no mo nso mo pass ye ka ho bi ebia se president somehow yi omunya afe no munya 1 year no president be ka se assure yen permanent employment afe ye duru wana fama yen a mase ka sem foforo.
These are the words of the president say ewo national theater o say me catch them o say edwuma bia e fankofo a on fa na ninche na kufo first sano kan
ana yo she ana o kan keke
oh no say you see your man already no wo adwuma ni mu dada what I say ana ye be fankofo ana wo mu dada nti say e say de ya fa casual worker ye de IGF ni tuaka na wo suban bi ye den eko ya
ya mechanize o
exactly ni afa sa pepe sana aban na president can say ye fankofo say human institutions nya clearance you from first NAPCO no you started with 100,000 people me no say I can 60 something or that have 380 me no say 130 close to 140
say bi no more voluntarily no omo timi opt out
good into what opt out ati me won adwuma say ka bia environment no kran nya nka won adwuma mpatwa say and that's the purpose of the NAPCO say temporarily no obe engage you me no say ya quality omu nyina CVs nso ay den egu a omo ankasa ya kire omo build CVs sabi o enye obi ade na nkanim CV ye what I say ana the policy we so buy and say nkofo hwehwe adwuma omo so 3 years experience obi was 2 years experience obi was 5 years experience na obi free school ba ene oba ya o say ope 3 years experience obi dey say be when nko training no for that 3 years na wo mefa nko adwuma and say okay ni temporarily engaging nkofo we na yemo bi kakra no mo train say nka enyo omo sika n say yes yemo seminar Ghana city no because they are doing equally the same job obi g 4,000 obi g 3,000 obi g 2,000 obi the same job but what I say but yemo mo tia say aban ni sika na mo ye boa mo na ma build up mo CV say na be ya mo kopa adwuma mo tia ne aban tumi mfa mo nyina mo adwuma and you you say obi okran so mpe aban adwuma ebi private o hwe career pathway na ebi mu choose private ebi mu choose so be so call entrepreneurship obi so pa aban adwuma.
Okay. All right. Since yam pause on eno no na yenhwe the latter part of mo memo na mo de buy you know. Once I sure omo tie yen ana omo aye kan krata de kire wo mo ne say nyame yadom next year mo san fa another cohort. Eno so ho asem san ne tie wo ye preview 2 e be sha ase da ben nipa ben sa e na o qualify so no so obe apply bi he fa krampo e no ko apply.
Okay. Anti me the previous ones and be fato me no ka say the minim die be started but you pay for my test next year.
Okay.
You hoping for say best start in January, the next year be best start. I feel so say and say yeah advertise it near the link about when we are in a digitized world. Into the link back now I'm apply. I mean can be carry more. Omo eye omo mona community no first ni bi mo nte we na say
concept na
say ti at least ene de dodo na eden ati ase because a new thing aba obi wo ho a okotusu educate Ghana meanwhile one education but the educate Ghana no you say for education teacher for
okay
no no so koye bia sociology but koye education.
But sociology crowd and were a bit similarities so person education I dey yanko betimi apply but you say be obi wo okokoye oil and engineering and blah blah blah
good but one ye be Ministry of Education and I say Ghana Education Service on file
okay
but what I say inti we mu nyina problems and challenges and na oman for no so Ghana for sometimes we are
Ghana for binom.
Yes. Ghana for binom. Sometimes he lazy. Wako cafe. Uni computer. Nti wako cafe say ye obi apply juma ya den ema. Obetcha na nchen no. Na wache no we are screening through no hu say oh ade a
be all right.
Yes. Nipa obi tu obu anu akotusu bungugu yoyo ama mi wa opo down. Afi na transfers nsem bebre na kono so kra ya nya transfer asem. Yeah, and say district wise. Exactly. To be a year, the almost cafe no so in Niscan or day. Oje, John so to be a keke amount. Until we so meba for frono. Nyamio Madoma, Umunya Botre.
Due diligence.
Can say only computer now ni here, Peobi, and so cafe or on Casa Transit for documents in Mano on him. One of the challenges and so say, a new way by in there were some few challenges, BT say. Ubu no we national service here.
I see.
But system no day FM. But along the line ye hu ye. I mean ye mo ye den ekofi.
Na ebi mo jeha.
O de bi. O we national service no. Ubi won so kwa wanye. But o the pin ni keke ye den. Ehye Into along the line na ye verify certificate ni ma nyina no. Na
Ghana we hardly categorize them. Almost so and she ben wa ban no omo wo de ma no
okay I think say we quite the first time government bring graduates home any youth employment has been there ever since youth employment no mo djuma ni say wo a won school sabi wo a person usua mason wo a person usua carpenter artisans no me no ka say application wo be end 28th November but what I say wo a person usua mi no that's it. Need why then alcohol. Me no ka almost crowd brainstorming on say they should bring paid internship jobs and now say holiday jobs. Say na abuchi omo ye no o ma kwan a no akoye bibi kakra no nya kakra den ahye ho. Problem kakra e wo krom ha. Ye Ghana ha ene say Amanfo dodo na obi apese oye adwuma a obebo tire tena office. Enama unemployment I dey. Arise no yeah ejuma bebre e okrom manam ka chaw ejuma bebre okrom but ye hwe ye ho se no we dey me ye dey me mpe mintumi ko nante wi aso mintumi ko yiwi but menim me koye course bi kakra e wo Marshall's University the nipa no si Marshall's University no security man na Central University krom ha no we despise small beginnings say ye peja na say ukọ baby say looks like say yankasa ye dimini ho ye me hu say na me chere no but I say
adwuma wi dem fatame
exactly
oh there be na say we dey yi for na ye
exactly
keke no
exactly
you nya take keke go keke dey say exam na mafo
exactly but unia say obeto me say mo aboso kan na me tons papers you don't even think say mako school yes and there are a lot of graduates ewo aboso kan
but eya na mo kan say yo mo kan say e ma eye say ase adwuma ne wo ho pa na Ghana fo bibiri no ampese o mo beye yate adenti na say mo ba eya mo nka the reality no enchire yen people are they are in tune with and some way I'm back at a woman, no, and I won't say,
Sebe, and you be a ball brama. One of the war, say, Obuoba near creative jobs. At least, so creative jobs permanently in poor. Or more temporary ones for the job market. 2, a ban way a fa a mum with a funko for Jumum a saying, most of the Abaya in the Fourth Republic. A ban way a Juma pa, of which all their dance here. Nurses form co-freezing, freezy employment, security forces, what I say. But the maper they say, once a buy a Mayan. What are you doing for yourself?
Man, come more shy, see, to say be a more pay to me, no, because we say Ghana for people now, more politicians, deeper. It's a more shy, say, no, can say,
saying,
said the reality, and say, a human be bro, a Juma, carpenter, Juma, and your money in a crowd, I'll meet me, but more bar. To say,